Good day, students. Today on Business Studies Js2, we want to move on to the next topic, 3-column cash book. 3-column cash book. Before I move further, let's quickly revise on the 2-column cash book. I told you that 2-column cash book is the combination of the cash and the bank transaction. But for the 3-column cash book, is a combination of cash, bank, discounts. It's a combination of bank, cash, and discounts for the 3-column cash book. And for the 3-column cash book, we have 2 types of discounts. You have cash discounts and trade discounts. But we are going to work more on cash discounts. And the cash discount is divided into 2, discounts allowed and discounts received. Discounts allowed and discounts received. And what is cash discount? Cash discount is a deduction given to the buyer for paying their debt within a specified period of time. That is for the cash discount. When the buyer is given deduction from what he or she has been able to purchase. Now, what is discount allowed? The discount allowed is the cash discount allowed to a debtor, and discount received is the cash discount received by a business from a creditor. Let's quickly move on to the questions on 3-column cash book. From your business studies textbook, you can open to page 90, example 5. Page 90, example 5, so that we can solve the question together. And I'm still going to give you work to do, whereby you're going to solve it at home yourself. Now, when you look at the question on the 3-column cash book, the question there, got here, cash book accounts. Got here, cash book accounts. You can see from February 1, you can see the transaction, cash in bank, cash in hand, and so on and so forth. But for you to prepare your trading profit and loss accounts, remember, you have to write the name of that owner of the account, which is got a 3-column cash book. Then you roll out your columns. Roll out your columns. But for the 3-column cash book, we have the first column, date, particular folio, cash bank, and you have your discounts allowed. Then date, particular folio, cash bank, and discounts received. That is the tabulation or columns for the 3-column cash book. Now, let's go to the question, one after the other, to solve the question on the board. But you cannot see it clearly on the board. You can open your business study textbook to page 90, example 5, on 3-column cash book. Now, the first one there, February 1. What happened February 1? Cash in hand. Under your particular, you're going to write balance brought forward. Balance brought forward for cash is how much? 500 naira. You can see your naira sign up here. You're not going to put the naira beside the 500. You write it up. Then the next one, February 1 again, cash at bank. For the bank column, you write 800 naira. Then let's move on to February 4. What happened February 4? Sold goods for cash, 1,000 naira, less 10% cash discount. Sold goods for cash, 1,000 naira, less 10% 5 discount. And anything sold will go to the debit side because money is coming in. So you write February 2nd. That sold will change to sales. Remember to do your discount. 10% of 900 will give you what? How much? We give you 100 naira. 100 naira. Then you take 100 naira away from the 1,000 naira and you remember to write your answer under cash. 900 naira. I believe you can calculate it. That is 10 over 100 times 1,000 naira. When you cut this, cut this, cut this, cut this. So 10 times. When you cut the 2, then you get your answer. Yes, so you are going to get your 100. You get your 100. That is for your answer. That is 10 times, which will give you 100. Now, let's move on to the next one. Page, that is February 5. Page salaries by cash. Page salaries by cash. The money is going out. You move to February 5. On the credit side, you write your 5. Then pay salaries. For your particular, you write your salaries there. And how much is the 85 naira under cash? 85 naira under cash. Then February 7. Receive check from Wale 700 naira less 5% discount. Receive, you know, the money is coming in, so you receive money from Wale, that is got here, receive 700 naira from who? From Wale. Then you come to the debit side, you write February 7, then you write the particular day, the person there, you write Wale, then you find the 5%, you find the 5% of 700 naira, which will give you 35 naira, then you take away 35 naira away from the 700, which will give you 665 naira under bank. 665 naira under bank. Then the next one, February 12, cash paid into bank. Cash paid into bank. If you look at the question there, that is contra entry. Contra entry. February 12, you write your cash here, you write your C/, then the amount will be under bank, which is 900 naira. Then you go to the credit side. February 12, you write your bank here, then the amount will go, you write a C/, that is a contra entry, then the amount will be under the bank. How much? 900 naira. I believe you are following me. Now, February 13, pay TT by check, 400 naira less 4% discount. Pay TT by check. If you look at the question, the money is going out. That is bought here, paid TT, how much? Pay TT 400 naira and less 4% discount. So if you get that one, that will be 16 naira. So you come to this side, February 13, the particular day, TT, then the discount day is 16 naira. Then when you take away 16 naira away from the 400 naira, you get 384 naira. 384 naira under check. 384 naira under bank column. If you look at the question from beginning to the end, you can see that you are through with your transaction. So the next thing is to close up your accounts. Close up your accounts on the cash column, close up your accounts on the bank column, close up your accounts on discounts allowed. Then for the discounts allowed, you just add it up and write the answer direct. You don't need to take away from the debit side or credit side. Then for the cash column, you roll out your column twice to close your account. You do this one too again to close up your account. You have 16 here. Then when you add up the transaction on the cash column on the debit side, you are going to get 1,400 naira under cash. 1,400 naira. Then under bank, you are going to get 2,365 naira. 2,365 naira under bank for the debit side. And remember to put your GR and remember to put your CR. Now let's go to the credit side where we're going to get our balance. Now, sorry, your amount will be here 1,400 naira. Then this one is 2,365 naira. 65 naira is your balance CD. I will be here. Then this place you have your balance BD. Remember to write 1,400 naira here. Then this one 2,365 naira. Now, when you take away 1,400 from 950 naira, the difference there is 415 naira. 415 naira. Then when you take away the amount 2,365 naira away from 384 naira, you get 1,981 naira. 1,981 naira. 1,981 naira. Then you come to the other side here for your balance CD on the debit side. You bring out the account for 415 naira on the cash column and 1,000 1,981 naira on the bank column. And you make sure you rule out your columns very well. You can use red biro or you can use pencil to rule out the columns. And make sure that anytime you are doing your calculation, you don't cancel. Make sure you look at the question very well, you look at the amount very well, and fix it up. And your work must be neat. So that is all for the 3-column cash flow. So the next class, we'll talk about the petty cash flow. So thank you for listening. See you next class.